In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove password from Shopify store. This is the setting that controls whether your storefront is locked behind a password. Many store owners use it while they are building the site, testing a new theme, or preparing for a launch. When you are ready for the public to access your store normally, you will turn off password protection and save the change. To begin, log into your Shopify admin so you are on your main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar. Find and click Online Store. This opens the section where you manage what customers see on the front end, including your theme and key store settings. Next, open the drop-down under Online Store and select Preferences. This page contains several important storefront options, and the one we need is the password setting for your online store. Once you are on the Preferences page, scroll down until you see the area labeled Password Protection. In some Shopify versions, it may be labeled Store Access, but it refers to the same idea. This is the section that controls whether visitors must enter a password before they can view your store. In that section, look for the checkbox that says Restrict Access to Visitors with the Password. To remove the password from your Shopify store, uncheck that box. When this box is unchecked, your storefront is no longer gated, and visitors can reach your homepage and browse your products normally. Before you finish, take a moment to make sure you are editing the correct store if you manage more than one, since this setting applies to the specific store you are logged into. Also, if you are preparing for a launch, it is a good idea to confirm your payment provider and shipping settings are ready, since customers will be able to place real orders once the store is open. Finally, go to the top right corner and click Save. Saving is important because the change will not apply until you do. After you save, your Shopify store should be accessible without a password, and the password page should no longer appear for new visitors. And that is all there is to it.